Alright. If you can be quiet enough, I can talk. So my sister is up here talking. See if that's enough. Ooh. I ain't gonna be able to talk. They don't know that I'm recording, but still, I'm still mad because I ain't. Because they talking. They don't know I'm recording, but I'm still mad. I'm not mad. I'm not gonna put on no concealer. I'm gonna just put on my foundation. This actually looks clean though. I'll put some more foundation over it. I need to see inside. I wasn't planning on putting no concealer on. I just wasn't. But and if I wasn't gonna put it on, I was gonna do it the other way and put it on first. Because that's just the way I do it. Oh God. I might have to go and put more foundation on. I don't want to put on that much makeup, so it's gonna be what it is. I don't really want to. I want my foundation on though. It's pretty. I like it. If I look orange, then that means I put too much on. My natural color is kind of orange though. Oh, my skin changed, like, over time. Because, I used to be lighter and my skin color changed. No lies over y'all. A bit in my hair. I ain't really worrying about all this because I'm gonna be in the house. As we all should be. Got it on my eyelashes. I'm gonna try to do this I got all type of makeup under my nails, around my nails. I had to put my setting spray in this bottle because y'all remember the spray didn't work good. This spray worked good. I be setting my foundation, y'all. I don't know. I feel like everybody don't do that. I'ma just use the Fantasy palette. And I'm gonna use, oh man, Bustle. I'm gonna use Bustle and Pumpkin. I think I'm just do those two colors. And if I just want to shimmer, I just put night, a little bit of night on with it. I got my brushes right here. I should have cleaned my brushes. You should always clean your brushes. This is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. And this is the Wet n Wild some kind of brush. I'm just use this to make sure that it's spread out good. Spread out. But that's what I'm talking about though. That's what I mean. I was gonna talk to y'all about something, but I'm gonna be loud when I talk about it, and I don't want to be heard. Well, so I'm gonna get my eyeshadow brush again. This is the large eyeshadow brush, and it's not even that big, but it's the large one. And I'm gonna do pumpkin. And just put that on. Pack it on like they say. I'm satisfied. I ain't messing with it. I'm not gonna do nothing else unless I agree. I said I just want to like try the little line and see if I can do it with night, which is this one is a shimmer. Most of the colors in this palette is shimmer. There's only these 6 that's not shimmer, and that's not enough for me because I like regular look. So I just put the end of it in there. Y'all see? Like that, just on there. And I'm gonna have to put this down. Y'all might not be able to see what I'm doing. So all I did is just drag it across the line. And I don't really like the way these eyeshadows are because they don't be showing up on time. But it's alright. It didn't do too bad. But I just put it on the end so that it could be thin enough. And I first did this when I did the makeup and sheen. And it worked. I liked it. And this brush coming good. Just add a little shimmer. Okay, brushes, you can go back. So I like this mascara so much. Wet n Wild Makeup Powder. The color very black, like my man, of course. This is dry skin. I don't know why my nose gets dry. I ain't eat today and it's 6:30 p.m. I just want to fast today. I'll eat in a little while. For about an hour. And I ain't even finished cooking, y'all. All I cook is sweet potatoes, so I'm cooking. I'm gonna cook some garden peas, sweet peas. So my grandma always called them garden peas. I got it on my eyelid. Just act like you don't see it. That's what you gotta do. Cause if I touch it, I might mess it up. I think is that I don't know. This mascara do add volume though. I wonder how long I can leave this mascara, leave this makeup on. Did you see when I put makeup on, wash it right off? I'll probably take some pictures and then. But that's usually what I do, take pictures and then wash it off. And being as late as it is, I'll see if I can leave it on for a little while. I feel like I look like Esmeralda or something. Or somebody like that. I gotta get the eyeshadow palette and get the brush. Oh God. I don't like these eyeshadows. Put some highlight on. I don't like these eyeshadows. I just don't like them. I don't like them. I use this elf liner. This is a long ass video for no reason. I put a little blush on because why not? And y'all already know it's the elf bright pink blush. I ain't gonna put too much on. That's enough right there. Boom. But I want more. I'm trying to overdo it like I usually be doing. Boom. I want to put some highlighter on, but when I put my highlighter on, I end up looking like a tin man. I might have to contour a little bit. I'm gonna do a little. Should I set this first? Probably. Am I going to? Nope. Let's see if I can do this right. I like that too much. My face looks different. Some people are like, yes, That's what you need. I want to put this highlighter on, but I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up. Sorry about the little earthquake. Sorry with the table quake. I'm gonna mess something up. I just want to do it right there. This side right. And my face so uneven. See, this side lower, this side higher, but that's my face. That's how my face look. My face uneven. Oh gosh, are you kidding me? Okay, let's see if I can dab it out. I'm gonna leave it like that because I'll be doing put too much. I don't want to drag it all the way up like how them girls just do. They be just, I ain't doing all that. Nah. Just a little. My face is so uneven. I just got a lot of makeup on today. This video is long. It's too much going down the middle of my face and not enough over here. But I don't want to ruin it. I got it on pretty good though. I just got so much in the middle. Look weird. I don't know how to fix it. Am I recording? Yes. I'm gonna line my lips with this liner. It's got some shimmer on it. I'm gonna try to see how long I can not eat. I fasted for 6 whole days before y'all. Now we did it. I don't know, I just don't know. I probably should. I probably need to, but I don't know. This looks funny, but I don't want to mess with it too much because I just don't. Which one is this? Sugared fig. I don't know why I want it in my teeth. First I put it directly in my mouth. This look alright. My glasses, I'll see if it'll get better. I am over highlighted, y'all, but it still look alright. It don't look so bad. This looks alright, and I needed to do a video. So anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching, and this is the video, and I feel like I did not really actually make a video, so I might just cut this part out and then just do a voiceover and be like, thanks for watching. Do good and be good, y'all. Bye.